gonna be one of them nights. Okay, here we go. Square through. Middle here, somebody. Touch a quarter. Follow your neighbor. Go ahead and spread. Do a linear cycle. Load the boat. Now touch a quarter. Scoot back, say, hey! Boy, run around the curve. And a wrangle it through. Sunder back, go Dixie style. Take a peek, trade the whip. Relay the noose. We're gonna Lucy, cause she's a doozy. Swang through. Boy, run around the curve. Couple circ again, you ladies. Chain down the line. Here she comes there, fellas. You pass through the wheel and deal. Slide through. Circle of a line. Ladies center, boys side. Behave yourself. Ladies center, boys side. Do Alan Lev gonna come back promenade this one? Maybe she's gonna teach you how to do this. Head couple past the ocean. Ping pong circle. Extend. Do a linear cycle. Now pass through, chase right, but when the boys meet, follow your neighbor and spread. Acey-doocy. Swing through. Boy, run around the curve. Do a Ferris. And a double pass through, guess what? Track 2. Acey-doocy. Explode and a wrangle it through. Flutter your wheel, girls, make that silly little noise. Not bad. You pass through, bend it, move it up and down. You spar through and dive through and square through till you find something that looks like your owner. Do an Alabama left there. Promenade. Four ladies chain, fluff them skirts way up high. Chain her right back home, but catch her left with a little paso. Her by the left, corner by the right. Her by the left, you know it's coming. Head lady, center for a teacup chain. Side lady right, hey, hey. That's her all flying out. Heads lead to the right and up here to the left and Ferris wheel. Center sweep a quarter, back right out and then you out of the quarter. Out of the quarter. Good dancers here, huh? I guess we're just gonna have to toughen up a little. No, hit us with your best shot. All right, here we go. Four ladies chain across a ring. You roll away and you circle and sing. Four ladies roll away, circling time. What diamond ain't gonna win? I hear tell you do it well. Good things have come to you. I wish I had your good luck charm, and you had a do-I-could-do. The heads promenade halfway around, walking past the ocean there. Ping pong circ, extend, then a linear cycle, my friend. Well, when you're done, do the right left through. Turn a quarter more, a little bit more, and probably into the floor. I wish I had your good luck charm, and you had a do-I-could-do. The head square through, both hands are loud. Gonna beat that corner waiting there. Touch a quarter, follow your neighbor, go ahead and do a spread. Relay the doozy, look for Fred. lady, chain the ring. You turn and chain her right back home with a dope massa. Her by the left, corner by the right. Her by the left, head lady center, keep a chain. Just like you've been doing it your whole life. Psycho, square through 4. Slide through. And right left through. You ready? Load the boat. Swing that corner promenade. I wish I had your good luck tongue, and you had a do I can do. Side square through. Veer to the left, girls connect, hinge, diamond circulate, flip the diamond, swing through. Boy, you run around the girl, tag the line all the way through. Girls turn back, swing and promenade. I wish I had your good luck time, and you had a do I can do. Or roosters promenade, once inside the ring, run back home and swing your chick. Join hands, circle up, and walk, walk, walk along and do an element left that corner, wheel the ring. Swing your baby promenade. I wish I had your good luck charm, and you had a do I can do. Ain't found a partner, turn and apologize to your corner, give yourself a big bag. Fireworks. Short break, we'll be right back. We'll throw another one at you. Linda needs a good-looking corner. I guess Miles will have to do it. Terry needs a woman. What can we get away with here? Every now and then. All right. Tape out to the partner and the right or left brain. Promenade. Square through. Swing through. Spin the top. Touch your core. Coordinate. Couple circulate. Chain down the line. Water wheel. Past the ocean. AC Doocy. Explode and square through 3. Bend the line into the middle and go. Pass through with a feeling deep. Star through, back away while the others lead to the right. Now touch a quarter, split circulate, single hinge, fan the top, boy move up. Grand swing through. Boys run around the girls, girls connect. Girls hinge. Got a diamond, diamond circulate. You ready? Flip the diamond right back into a tidal wave. Miles, you're on the end, buddy. Grab Jim's hand there, Barb. I think you need to slide over there and grab Jim's hand, Barb. Only facing the other direction. I think there we go. All right, girls trade. Center boys trade. And boys trade. Twice. Do a single hinge. Circulate. Boys run around a girl. You star through, pass through, bend the line, get out of the middle and go. Do the right left through, flutter wheel. Star through, make an arch and dive through. In the middle, touch it quarter. Do a walk and dodge in a partner trade. Everybody circle. Do an element left, right leg. Let's see now. 4 ladies chain home if you're not there. There's only 2 out over here. Can't do that. Let's have the head star through. Zoom. Back to back do-si-do. Dixie grab. Allemande. Always spin your top. Spin the top. Box the middle. Runway grab. Partner. Puller line. Allemande left. Allemande bar. Forward. 2 go right. Go left. Boy, hang on. Swing in. Got a backup star. Shoot the star with a full turn. Give her right to the partner. Pull her by the corner. Left Allemande. And a brown big dip. You guys think you're so smart. Head says star through and spread. Got lines up to the middle. Let's go. Everybody gonna pass through the wheel and deal. Now the girls touch and quarter. Girls walk and dodge. Girls partner trade. Boys space grand square. Roll away. Girls pass the ocean. Extend to a boy. Run around him. Box his neck. Hold on. And a right left through. Spar through. Dive through. Centers pass through. Circle it forward. Break them out. Make a line. Walk up to the middle and down. Touch a cord. Circulate. Boys run around the girls. And a right and left through. Veer over to the left. Ferris wheel. Slide through. Bow to the partner. Bow to the corner. Give me some cooking. There you go. All right. Enough of this nonsense. Let's see, what else can I do? Oh, I had one plus song. Let's see. I got one here somewhere. We'll slow it down for you, Jim. 4 ladies chained across the ring. Turn and chain her right back home. Say, here I come, sweetie, turn your wings. Circle to the left. Left and weave, here we go, make the world go. You get it off my shoulder. Say the things you used to say, and make the world go away. Square through, go forehand. Touch a chord, follow your finger. Spread, relay the do-si. Boys run around a girl and then you promenade. Everybody should have your corner, that's a hint. Square through its forehand. Touch a quarter, follow your neighbor. Spread, this time spin, chain the gears, no exchanges, no riders. There's no leader on this. Boys run on a girl's promenade or back home. promenade her. Run back home and swing your gal line. Join hands, circle left if you want to. Out and left and wheel the ring. Make the world go away. Get it off my shoulder. Say the things you used to say. And make the world go away. Head ladies chain across the ring. Signs past the ocean there. Extend, spin chain exchange. This time the lead girl, she's got her hand up. She's driving that bus. Say, follow me, boys. Swing your corner promenade. Say the things you used to say.